The word Abudiyah, from which Na'budu comes, it means a combination of two things. Number one, worship, and number two, obedience. So it's not just the rituals, it's also being obedient and doing the deeds and the acts which have been prescribed to us. There are 5 elements of ibadah. The word ibadah in Arabic has got 5 elements. Number 1, obedience. Number 2, love. Number 3, trust, complete trust. Number 4, sincerity. And number 5, doing everything on the conditions which are set by God. So when a person worships Allah and is obedient to Allah and does the right deeds, they are doing ibadah. But if they worship Allah, like praying 5 times a day, going for pilgrimages and everything, but they are slave to their own desires, then it is not ibadah. Similarly, if they worship their desires and they appear to be doing the right things, doing the good deeds, but they're all done for their own personal gains. Maybe they want fame, they want fortune, they're a politician or a leader who wants people to think they're good, then this is hypocrisy. This is not proper ibadah either. And obviously, if they are neither worshipping nor doing the good deeds, then it's a totally lost cause too.